Apple is quietly preparing for one of the most radical, unexpected, and high-stakes hardware refreshes in the history of its compact tablet lineup, a move that centers entirely around the highly anticipated iPad Mini 5 2026. For years, the tech giant kept its smallest form factor on the back burner, leaving tech enthusiasts wondering when the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse would finally arrive. But behind the closed doors of Apple Park, a massive shift in engineering strategy has been initiated, driven by a sudden realization that the market for premium, ultra-portable computing power is expanding at an exponential rate. Consumers are no longer looking at small tablets as mere e-readers. Instead, they're demanding uncompromising desktop-grade performance, hyper-advanced artificial intelligence integration, and display technology that can rival the most expensive professional monitors on Earth. This brings us directly to the massive wave of highly classified design leaks, supply chain shipping manifests, and internal assembly schematics that have recently surfaced, pointing squarely to a completely re-engineered iPad Mini 5 slated for a late 2026 unveiling. What makes these specific leaks so incredibly distinct from the standard annual rumor mill is the sheer consistency of the data coming out of top-tier display suppliers, confirming that this is not just a minor spec bump, but a comprehensive, ground-up reimagining designed explicitly to capture the absolute highest tier of the global tech market. To truly understand why the upcoming 2026 iPad Mini 5 is generating this level of unprecedented industry hysteria, we have to look directly at the single biggest bottleneck that has plagued this specific form factor, which is the display panel itself. For generations, users have tolerated standard LCD panels that suffered from noticeable motion artifacts and slower refresh rates. Apple engineers have reportedly spent the last 18 months working tirelessly to completely eliminate these flaws for this generation, and the solution they have landed on for the iPad Mini 5 is nothing short of breathtaking. According to highly authenticated documentation from supply chain insiders, the device will finally abandon legacy display technology entirely and make the monumental leap to a custom-engineered, ultra-vivid Super Retina OLED display. This transition to organic light-emitting diode technology means that every single pixel on the compact canvas of the 2026 iPad Mini 5 will generate its own independent light source, allowing for deep, infinite contrast ratios, absolute true blacks that vanish into the physical bezels of the device, and a level of color saturation that makes standard high-definition content look entirely lifelike. Imagine streaming high-bitrate HDR content, editing multi-layer RAW photographs on location, or navigating intricate user interfaces where the dark modes don't just look dark gray, but emit absolutely zero light, saving massive amounts of battery power while delivering a visual experience that was previously restricted only to the multi-$1,000 Pro models. But the upgrades to the front facade of the iPad Mini 5 2026 do not simply end with the shift to an organic light-emitting diode structure. There's a fierce internal debate happening within Apple's product marketing teams regarding the implementation of a high refresh rate promotion panel on this specific model. While some conservative analytical reports suggested Apple might restrict the display to a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, the latest highly reliable whispers from major component testing facilities indicate that Apple is testing custom panels capable of pushing dynamic refresh rates specifically for the new iPad Mini 5. With the base models of the modern smartphone lineup finally adopting higher refresh rates across the board, leaving this premium compact tablet at a sluggish speed would look like a massive step backward for an audience paying premium prices. By implementing a variable refresh rate system that can dynamically scale down to lower frequencies when viewing a static image or reading a book, and immediately ramp up during intense scrolling, UI navigation, or high frame rate mobile gaming, the iPad Mini 5 will deliver a user experience that feels remarkably fluid, responsive, and incredibly premium. The visual impact of this change cannot be overstated, as it completely transforms the tactile relationship a user has with the operating system, making every swipe and gesture feel as smooth as liquid glass. As we shift our focus from the stunning exterior transformation directly to the internal architecture, we uncover where the true, raw power of the 2026 iPad Mini 5 resides, revealing a piece of silicon engineering that defies everything we thought we knew about Apple's traditional hardware tiering. Internal factory manifests and software build leaks indicate that Apple is planning to skip older silicon entirely and drop a highly optimized, next-generation A18 Pro or potentially an even more advanced A19 Pro variant directly into the heart of the iPad Mini 5 chassis. This is a monumentally significant development because these chips are built on a highly advanced, ultra-dense 3-nanometer process node, allowing billions of additional transistors to be packed into a microscopic footprint. What this translates to in real-world application is a staggering leap in both multi-threaded CPU processing speed and complex graphics rendering capabilities, turning the iPad Mini 5 into an absolute editing and gaming juggernaut. We are talking about a compact device that will effortlessly render multi-stream 4K ProRes video files, compile intricate software code on the fly, and run console-quality video games with hardware-accelerated ray tracing enabled, all without experiencing severe thermal throttling. To support this massive influx of processing power and ensure the device remains future-proof for the next half-decade of software advancements, Apple is also making a massive, non-negotiable upgrade to the system memory architecture of the iPad Mini 5 2026. The latest engineering validation testing leaks confirm that this model will feature a mandatory baseline of 12 gigabytes of ultra-fast unified RAM, a staggering leap from previous generations. This massive memory upgrade is an absolute necessity driven by the intense computational demands of Apple Intelligence, the company's proprietary suite of deep learning models and advanced contextual processing systems. Running generative text models, processing complex real-time semantic image editing, and allowing the next-generation version of Siri to maintain absolute contextual awareness across every single app requires an immense amount of volatile memory. With 12 gigabytes of unified RAM tightly integrated alongside the high-performance neural engine, the 2026 iPad Mini 5 will be fully equipped to handle highly advanced, on-device AI operations entirely locally, ensuring that your data never has to leave the physical silicon of your device, preserving absolute privacy while delivering lightning-fast, zero-latency responses. This incredible synthesis of desktop-grade silicon and massive system memory also opens up entirely new possibilities for advanced professional workflows that were previously deemed completely impossible on a small form factor. Tech insiders are speculating heavily that Apple will use the launch of the iPad Mini 5 2026 to introduce an optimized, compact version of Stage Manager specifically tailored for this screen, or at the very least, full uncompressed external display support via the high-speed USB-C port. Imagine a scenario where you can carry your entire workstation in a jacket pocket, use the tablet on the train, and then arrive at your office, plug the iPad Mini 5 into a massive external studio monitor via a single cable, and immediately transition into a multi-window, full desktop computing environment. The high-speed USB-C interface itself is rumored to get a substantial bandwidth upgrade to support full Thunderbolt speeds, allowing digital photographers, chromatographers, and field engineers to offload massive multi-gigabyte data files from external storage drives, cameras, and drones in a matter of seconds, making it the ultimate tool for elite creatives who prioritize mobility above absolutely everything else.